For storm surge analysis, you have to open the Quantum GIS and select save this folder as storm surge analysis in different period. Okay, so you have to have a dim file, and you have to have the water level data, this data. So this is the example of the Coxbazar Sadar Upazila. So I have done the historical the probability analysis. Based on the probability analysis, I have calculated 10 years, 20, 25, 30, even 50, 100 years return period data, mean sea level. The unit is meter. So so if you can see, this is the free DEM data. So if you can see the in the attribute table, if you can see only value, name, blah blah. Okay, so so from there there is only one calculation you have to do. Go to the attribute tables and open the field calculator buttons, and output file name is 10 years or 20 years return period. Depth 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 20 years, and output field should be decimal number real. Okay, so now you have to write down the formula. If first bracket value, if first bracket value less than 0.0, comma, not applicable, comma, if first bracket value greater than and equal the water level data. As you seen, we are going to apply the 20-year return period, so the water level data is 2.7. So this is 2.7, comma 0.0, comma 2.7 minus value. So this is the formula. If value 0.0, then not applicable. If value 2.7, 0, 0. So now you have to click OK. So this is 20-year return period data. So if you can see, it's 20-year return period from here. So go to the properties, and level, properties, synology, graduation, and classified. Go to depth in years, classified. And this is how you have to do. Apply. This is the inundation. If you can place it now, so you can see this is the inundation. So again, I have to go to the attribute table, and would like to prepare another depth 50 years. Numerical analysis. If value 0.0 comma not applicable comma if value greater equal water level you are actually considering 50 years, so 2.9, so it's 2.9 comma 0.0 comma 2.9 minus value. So it's 50 years is 2.9. So that's all. I have calculated another one. It's 50 year. So I also like to prepare another one. Depth barrier. If value 0.0 applicable if value equals 2.90 100 years. 100 years is 3. 100 years 3.0 comma 0.0 comma 3.0 minus value 2. Nice. This is the 20 years return period depth, 50 years and 100 years. So based on that, I'm going to copy and paste the layer. Now I'm going to copy and paste the layer. So now I'm going to prepare 3 different maps for different years. Okay.